Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography. It operates without the involvement of a central bank or governmental institution, making it decentralized. While Bitcoin stands as the most well-known cryptocurrency, there are numerous others such as Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. How cryptocurrency functions. Cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology, a digital ledger that records transactions. Unlike traditional financial systems controlled by centralized entities, cryptocurrency transactions occur on a decentralized network of computers. This decentralized ledger ensures enhanced security, making hacking or manipulation nearly impossible. Advantages of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency offers several advantages over traditional financial systems. It facilitates fast and secure transactions with lower fees. Additionally, its decentralized nature ensures resistance to censorship and corruption, fostering transparency and trust. Risks associated with cryptocurrency. However, as with any investment or financial endeavor, cryptocurrency carries certain risks. It is crucial to comprehend these risks before investing your hard-earned money. Cryptocurrency exhibits high volatility, with prices experiencing rapid fluctuations. Moreover, as a relatively new technology, it remains subject to evolving regulations. How to invest in cryptocurrency. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency, there are essential steps you need to follow. Firstly, choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange for buying and selling coins. Next, create a secure wallet to store your digital assets. It's vital to conduct thorough research, comparing various exchanges and wallets to find the best fit for your needs. Conclusion. That concludes our exploration of cryptocurrency today. I hope this video has equipped you with valuable knowledge, enhancing your understanding of digital money and blockchain technology. Remember, cryptocurrency remains a highly speculative investment, so it's crucial to conduct extensive research before committing any funds.